Welcome to the project demonstration of smart road crossing system for pedestrians using Arduino Uno, and also we are implementing IoT feature in this project. So let me explain you the features. So it will detect the vehicles with help of Hall effect sensor, and based on that vehicle detection it will define the green traffic light indication time will be increased. So generally without normal conditions it's going to be the 6 seconds, and whenever the vehicle is detected then the time is going to be 12 seconds. So like the manner when the green light term is coming to this side, then only it will check for that, and based on the traffic density it will provide the more time for the green light. And the next feature is when we provide the green light here, then this barricade will be closed in order to protect the pedestrians and block the pedestrians for walking when the traffic is moving. And whenever the red light is there for this side, then automatically only this side we indicated green light for the pedestrians, and the barricades will be open and the pedestrians can move. Till the duration all sides are red light only, and after the 4 seconds of duration then again red light for the pedestrians and the servo motor will be closed. So this setup can be implemented 4 sides also, and at the same time we are going to intimating the signal status, which side is a green and which side is a red. That will be indicated through the IoT by using ESP8266 module on the blink app directly. So n number of devices can be access this status of this green light and red light traffic signal status. Coming to the pins, so we have interfaced these 12 LEDs, pin number 2 to pin number 13, and in that 10th pin is for the servo motor. That particular light is indicated to the A1 pin, and A0 for our Hall effect sensor, and A2, A3 is for traffic signals for the pedestrians, and the servo ESP8266 module interface at 0 and 1 pin to the Arduino Uno board. So let us see the demonstration. So before switching on the kit, we need to do some initial steps. So for execution of the project, unlock. So enable the hotspot in your phone now. So go to settings and enable the hotspot with the name of project 4H5H without any space, without any capital letter, and the password should be 123456789. So check twice before switching on the hotspot and before switching on the gate, right? And also on the data internet. And after that we can see there is a red mark here, so as it's indicating the device is offline. So after we provide the power supply to the system, this adapter will take the 230 volts input and it will provide us the 5 volts regulated power supply output directly. So once the system got switched on, so we can see, right, there is no red mark here now. So this side there is a traffic, that's why it's provided around 6 seconds of duration, and after that same pedestrian allowance by opening the barricades and a red signal for the pedestrians. So let us place a magnet as it's indicated the vehicle magnetic field, then that will be identified by the Hall effect sensor, and whenever the green light term come this side, then the green light indication time will be increased to 12 seconds, and also parallelly we can see the same status. So this is the main presentation direction for the traffic signals. As you see that the green light time was increased. So 4 side red light, whenever the pedestrian gate open, we can see this side red, this side green, and this side green, and again same. It will be changes in the blink application also. So this can be accessed from n number of devices from anywhere in the world directly. Right. So is a normal condition. The duration is going to be the 6 seconds. So in this one the main thing is coming to this board. So we interface the ESP8266 module to the Arduino Uno through this board. This board consists of 1117 regulator, so which will provide the 3.3 volts constant output, because the IoT module need 3.3 volts only. Right. Yeah. And we can see the same. The time will be increased to 12 seconds now. So instead of keep the green light till the vehicle moves, just we increase the time as we are provide the same time for others. Right. Thank you.